Alright, we're going to build Akiyuki's Great Ball Factory.
I only work in black, and sometimes very, very dark gray.
To start things off, this device can only run in one direction. So, with the two directions of our battery box, we need to make sure that it's locked out and only runs in one direction. So let's begin and we'll get this built. There's not a whole lot to this, although the design for this came from Mrs. the Rebricker. And this shows her creativity right out of the gate. Maybe one day you all get to meet her. So I want to make sure that these videos are slightly more interesting. Building Lego can appear to be boring, but the joy of actually getting these things built is where the fun is. So I want to make sure that you're willing to follow along with these instructions. If you find that there's any way that I can do these instructions differently, that I can do them better, please let me know in the comments. I want to make sure that I'm giving you exactly what you need to be able to build these amazing devices. And again, I will take any kind of suggestions. If you'd rather I build these with still frames, no commentaries, by all means, let me know. The joys about YouTube is it's what you want. So I will deliver. Just let me know how you'd like it to be. So this is our locking mechanism that locks out one side of our battery box. So we'll put on our motor. And we'll give it a try. Doesn't go the other way, only goes this way. So, we're ready to start building the Great Ball Factory.